Hey friends, if you encounter this issue XboxStat.exe high CPU usage in Windows, then please watch this video now. If you're genuinely using the Xbox application, for example, I have the Xbox application, okay, then it will be a problem. But other than this, here's what you can do. Search for Xbox in the Windows search bar and go to game bar settings. Just turn this off. Does it help? If not, then proceed to the next solution. Okay, right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the apps tab, installed apps. Okay, try to search for Xbox here. If you get anything related to Xbox, just uninstall it. Okay, uninstall and uninstall it. So this is what is going to help you in this case. And obviously if it does not, then there is a possibility that this issue could have been caused due to malware. So search for MRT in the Windows search bar and then go to the MRT command. Okay, and wait for a few seconds for the application to load. Then click on next corresponding to it, select full scan and then next, and let it go through. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.